Welcome back, guys. So Alistair is now in the kitchen. Say hi, Alistair.
How you all doing?
Happy
What's
Thanksgiving.
What's up? Happy Thanksgiving.
He's gonna prepare his meat. So you'll be doing fried chicken. So first you will have to season the chicken with his spices and seasoning the chicken now. He's cutting up some onions, thyme, garlic, scallion, along with this all spices. So he's now cutting up the scallion or green onion. So guys, this is Jamaican style curry goat and fried chicken for you. So if you ever want to learn how to know how to prepare your fried chicken or your curry goat, you can always watch this video again when you're ready to do some Jamaican style curry goat or some fried chicken. Yes guys, so he's also gonna cut up some Scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, this pepper is so hot. Scotch bonnet pepper, guys.
Alright, so I'm just going to put this some of the cut up seasoning on the
that's the goat.
Correct, the goat,
and this is the chicken.
A little bit on the chicken.
So.
And the rest we're going to put away until at the end we're going to use it.
After the meat is tenderized. He's putting the curry on the mutton.
Season up some of that.
Curry. Some all-purpose. Remember the chicken will be fried.
Some of the curry, the goat as well.
So guys, he's seasoning the two meat at the same time.
Another mixture of natural seasoning. Yeah, so everything is ground up.
Yeah, we don't use black pepper, so these are the seasonings we use.
And that's our
curry. So right, we don't use a lot of spices like that. We mostly use the what you call it, natural spice.
Do with them.
Okay. Alright, so while the meats are marinating, we're gonna prepare. He's gonna wash the peas. It's what kind of peas? Kidney beans. Yeah, we're gonna prepare some. He's washing the peas, guys.
Alright, I'm gonna put the peas on now.
We're gonna put the peas on
Just
now.
wash your peas with some water. Before. A little trick to get the peas to cook quicker, just add some baking soda to the water and let it soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then you rewash that and you put it on. That allows for your peas to cook very quickly.
Okay, you hear that, guys? Yeah, so that's peas hack.
Just a little cheater. So just stick a little bit over your peas. Let it stay there for about 5 to 10 minutes, just to soften them a little bit. Then you'll rewash them and put them on to cook. So that's the peas after the baking soda. This is the peas before the baking soda, right? So you get it in this stage, it cooks much easier. Alright, that's why we put the baking soda on it.
Now he's gonna wash the peas again, wash off the baking soda from the peas before he puts it on the stove.
So we have a nice deep pot for the mutton right now. Right? So we're gonna add some oil into that. Some oil into that. And a little bit of the curry
to the oil.
To the oil, like so. Yeah, let it fry out a little bit. Yes. Alright, then we're gonna add our curry. Or goat, rather.
Right, so we add the goat now to the oil and curry.
Right, I'm just gonna let it stay there. Fry down a little bit and then we stir it again. Cover it up and let it stay there and cook. You don't want the oil to be too hot either, you know. Oil too hot, especially when you're cooking like beef or mutton, gonna tend to fry and tighten the meat, so it's gonna take a longer time to cook. So you don't want your oil to be too hot, right, before you put your meat in. You want it to catch the curry color before you add the water to it. Now I'm gonna add my water. Then we can cover it. Preparing for the fried chicken now. So some oil, adding some oil to the pot. Yeah, we're gonna deep fry it. It's gonna allow that to get up to temperature, and then we add our chicken in it. I'm just preparing a base for the chicken, flour base. Then I'm gonna add some seasoning to that. The powder seasoning. Just gonna mix that up. This is what I'm going to flour my chicken. Alright, I just drop a piece of onion in my pot to ensure to check it. Yeah, keep it popping. I'm just going to go through now and flour my chicken. Drop them in. frying.
Bees boiling.
It's boiling.
Ooh, chicken looks good.
Chicken coming on nicely. Yes, you have to keep an eye on it so everything cooks or fries consistently. Right. Ready to start taking out some of these chicken because they have reached the color that I want them. Right, so I just line my little thing here with some paper towel just to get the grease going. Nice, look nice, right?
Yeah, looks good.
Now that the chicken is out of the way, you can pay our curry pot some attention now. Yes, people, coming on nicely. Yes, so I'm gonna put some thyme, scallion or green onions in my pot. Half cup of water. Like today we're gonna use the coconut powder. Dissolve that. And let's add that to our rice and peas. I'm gonna add some salt, about half tablespoon. We're gonna cover that and allow it to cook down a little bit longer. Alright, we move over to our curry, which is in the final stages now. So what I'm going to do, the seasonings that I cut up earlier, I'm just gonna add those to it. So adding that. Alright, seasoning. One piece of ginger. Right. Add about a half tablespoon. It's on the last stages now, so you're going to finish it up with low heat. I'm going to be preparing so today also some homemade potato salad. Alright, now it's time for the rice. Just washing the rice right now. Just trying to wash off some of the starch off it. So we'll just add this to our rice pot, right?
Potato and vegetables over here. Boiling.
I'm just gonna add a little bit more water to this. Alright, that should be good. Alright, this is how I like my curry. You see the gravy. So I'm not going to do any more gravy with the chicken. This is what we're gonna use. Alright, curry gravy. Alright, so that's it.
Jamaican love curry gravy.
Right.
You go to the restaurant to order chicken, you ask for, may I have curry gravy with my fried chicken? Yeah.
Alright, so
us.
that's that.
That's us. That's us.
Just throwing off the water off my potato. I added some mixed vegetable to that. I'm just gonna run it through some cold water now to stop the cooking process. Right? So cold water. Yes. Leave that for a few minutes to cool down. Nice your potatoes. carrots and green beans. Yeah. Onion. To overwhelm it. So some milk.
No egg for this one, guys, because I do not eat it.
I'm just gonna mix that. And cap that off with a little quality. I'm gonna put that in the fridge to chill. There goes the rice. So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna enjoy some food now. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Until next time, bless up.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.